Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern,
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, H pattern 555, slingshot. As you heard while I was discussing why we took this trade, the price ran up to the dollar marker, barely nicking it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go to a free trade right now, wait until this price revisits that $1 and beyond marker before we look to lock in any profits at this point. At this point, we're going to lock in half of our gains and we're going to play this moving forward bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in half of our gains and continue to play this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in $2 worth of gains and we're going to continue to play this bar by bar.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $4 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to lock in $3 worth of gains and continue to play this bar by bar. As you can see, the price is holding the breach point, so as long as it stays above the breach, we will continue to manage this moving forward.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $5 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in $4.50 worth of gains, and we're going to see how this price reacts to the 516.25, 516.50-ish area. We're starting to slow down after that retrace once we cleared the breach. So I believe this run is starting to get a little bit exhausted, so we're not looking to stay much longer. Again, if it gets up to the 516.50-ish and it slows down, we might just pull our profits at that point.
Order filled.
And there's a $5.25 run today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.